Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, and let's enter a secret code, which is *# O**#. And here it is. Now you can test all the features in your device. Let's start with display. We'll start with red. As you can see, it is working properly. Then green, good as well. Blue, also correct. And now we will check receiver. Just click on receiver. As you can hear, it is working properly. Then vibration. You can hear it. I can both hear and feel it. It is working good. Then you can also check mega cam, sensor, touch, speaker, sub key, front camera, grip sensor, sensor hub. Black is for display, and if you would like to switch it off, as you can see, it's working properly. To switch it off, you have to tap on power key. Then also you can test Hall IC, MST test, MLC, look back version, and also TOF camera test. So this is it. Just pick whichever test you would like to perform, whichever feature you would like to test, click on it, and then smoothly test your phone. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can test your phone, how you can enter a secret code in order to activate test mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.